Hey everybody, it's Jimmy Jones here with Byers Chevrolet doing our dash cam diary. Sitting here with Darla. She just purchased this 2019 Traverse from us and traded in a beautiful Equinox that we have now. And this is her fifth, maybe sixth, I think, vehicle. We were trying to figure it out earlier because she's been buying from Byers for over 20 years now. So how was the experience? Obviously, 20 years of buying from us, I would hope you recommend us, right?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay. And
absolutely.
We were talking earlier where she's at my desk. She brought up an awesome story that I wanted to hopefully have her share with us about one of her previous experiences with Mr. Byers himself when we were downtown in Columbus.
So I had went in to purchase a car, and I was sitting there waiting on, signing all the paperwork and all that. And so I was admiring the floor plans that they had. And so I was while I was there, Mr. Byers came in, and I was, I guess he overheard me saying how much I liked the floor plan. So he came over and he says, "Hey, ma'am," he said, "you like that floor plan?" And I said, "Yes, sir, I sure do." I said, "These plants are beautiful." He said, "Well, when you buy your car, I'll take it out and put it in the car for you." He took it out and put it in my car for me, and I still have that plan.
You still have it?
I still have it.
Oh, I didn't catch that part.
I still have
awesome.
it. It is still in my gallery.
Still has a
yes.
plant and still buying vehicles from us. So
yes,
absolutely.
absolutely.
Those are the stories that we love to hear. So thank you very much. Certainly appreciate the opportunity to work with you. You guys ever need anything else, you obviously know where we're at. So
you've been great.
Thank you. Thank you. Anybody needs anything else, it's Dash Cam Diaries here, Byers Chevrolet. I'm Jimmy Jones. 614-782-2700 is where you can reach us. Thank you.